we've used automation here to make sure that we're positioned for the next 50, 60, 70 years as the leader in the industry.
One of the biggest myths I hear out there about automation is that automation is meant to replace workers. And to me, it's actually quite the opposite.
A lot of the lines that are put in operate with the same number of people. Their roles are just different.
It's not taking work away. It's actually giving us a more detailed focus on what we can do. We can improve and we can get more productivity out the door.
When you're running a lift and you have 300 pieces of pipe in that lift, imagine going to one piece to now you're doing 8 pieces at a time. So the timing, as far as getting the product out, I think that helped a lot.
Some of the things I like most about working for Zekelman is all the new equipment. Just the robots, how everything is almost hands-free.
You know, the next level to that is reinvesting in the business. And one thing that Wheatland Tube does really well is, you know, we're always upgrading our facilities. We're always, looking for ways to improve on, an already very high quality product.
Zekelman is using the most recent innovations by using robotics, touchscreen terminals, as well as interlocking safety gates and doors to keep workers safe.
So our automation cranes that we use in our warehouse and for shipping, they actually stage loads, unload the table for us and put material up.
There's always innovation coming that we like to bring to the market, and we don't always see that from our other manufacturer competitors.
Some of the stuff's just kind of cool to use. How often you get to use a robot and get to program a robot. It's part of your daily job. Not everybody gets to do that. And that you work for a company that cares about you and has invested in that future by investing in automation.